Hey everyone, it's Shannon from Pop and Polish, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today we are doing a 3-minute tutorial on how to do a blooming rose. The very first thing you're going to do is at least 1 or 2 layers of black polish, depending on the opacity of your black polish. If it's thin, you're going to want to do 2 layers. If it's thick, just the 1. Then you're going to cure the black polish for 60 seconds. After the polish is cured, that is when you're going to go in with the blooming gel. I got my blooming gel off of Shein, but you can get it off of Temu, Amazon, wherever it is that you want to get your blooming gel. Then you're going to do a nice, fairly thick layer of blooming gel. You certainly don't want to be too thin here. How satisfying is that to watch? Super satisfying. Then you're going to take white gel liner polish or just some white gel polish and a really thin nail art brush. You're going to start doing the outline of the rose. Starting in the center, you're just going to do curved lines outwards. Make sure not to do the lines too close together or else they'll bleed together. You don't want that. You want the black to eventually create a shadow look. So make sure you're leaving enough space in between your white curves. Once the gel has bloomed to your desired effect, you're going to cure it for 60 seconds. Once the nail is cured, then you're going to go in with the white polish again, this time doing the detailed work. Again, you're going to start in the center and work your way out, basically outlining the blooming parts of the rose. Keep in mind, these don't have to be super perfect curved lines. You want it to look like a real rose. You can really see the rose starting to come together now. And then you'll cure that for 60 seconds. Afterwards, you're going to apply a layer of red jelly polish. Now, I didn't have any red jelly polish, so I created my own using a red nail polish and a clear top coat. And I blended these together until I had my desired opacity. And then I put that over top of the black and white rose, and this is when you really see the red rose start to take effect. When you're done applying the red jelly polish, that is when you are going to cure for 60 seconds, then add a layer of top coat, and you are done. You have your blooming rose. If you have not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.